Hey everybody, and welcome to Gravy Flips, where we flip and buy and collect video games, furniture, and collectibles. In this video, I'm showing you some amazing links that will help you find items that are quickly posted to Facebook Marketplace. Unfortunately, Marketplace is not the most optimized search engine, and it's the most used. People use Facebook Marketplace way more than they use Craigslist. So in this video, I've got 3 links that I'm going to show you how to use that will make it to where you see the search results of the items that are most recently posted. You can see it from anywhere in the country, and instead of seeing things that were posted 6 hours ago, you'll see things that are posted 1 minute ago, 2 minutes ago. And you can use the links down below. In this video, I'm going to show you how to alter them, how to specify the search results, and it's really going to change your sourcing game for if you resell or if you collect. It doesn't really matter. I have a longer version of this video on my channel. This is just the first hint. So please, if you haven't already, hit like, hit subscribe, and welcome to Gravy Flips. I want to show you how to really optimize Facebook Marketplace because I know the search results are absolute bullcrap with this. When you use your phone to search video games that are posted locally to you, oftentimes you'll get things that are like miles away that were posted like 12 weeks ago, and the optimization is actually really poor. So let me show you some examples of what that means. Like this was posted in Plattsburgh, New York. Obviously it's been posted a while, and I don't want to see these kind of things. Like, let's see if this optimization works at all. This was posted 13 hours ago, but the results just they're not like I'm getting things that are like advertised and stuff like that. So a auto hotkey. It took me a while last year to sit down and figure out how to optimize the links. And what I did was I created links that include some HTML code that makes the Facebook page do exactly what I want it to. And if I click my link, you see it's going to search for 100 miles of the category that I want, and the category I want is right here, okay? And it's going to show me a creation time and descend. So that means it's going to show me the most recently published collections or things that people are selling. You guys know that I also flip furniture and collectibles, so I have 2 of the same links, but I have niched down right here free. So let's see what free stuff people are posting and why these links are fantastic. Here we go. So baby stuff. How long ago was this posted? This was literally posted 5 minutes ago. How long ago was this posted? 2 minutes ago. You see that? By using this creation time and descend language stuff, it really helps me to see. So this mirror was posted 30 minutes ago. This dresser, this is how I get first dibs on a lot of stuff, is I use these links. And so this person posted it like 28 minutes ago. You can't get this kind of speed from your phone. You have to be able to use a desktop in order to do it. So let me include these links down below. If you guys want to optimize them further, if you look here, this free, okay, you can change that free into any one of these categories. So say I wanted to change it to entertainment, and if you don't do this perfectly, you're gonna make the website fail. It's gonna freeze. But by doing this, by doing entertainment, now I'm getting all the results that are like videos, CDs, and you see this was posted like 59 minutes ago. This is information that normally doesn't come free, but here we go. Here's stuff that was posted recently. Another CD player type thing. Let me give you another example here. So you just gotta use the link, and you can look at any one of these, okay? Pet supply, well, no. Let's keep it to a one word. Let's do like apparel. I'm gonna go to my category right here, and I'm gonna type in apparel, if I can spell it right. Because remember, if you don't spell it perfectly, you're gonna break the link and the website's just gonna fail. It takes a lot longer to load, but watch. We're gonna get a bunch of clothing items that were just recently listed. Look at this, hang on. So this shows up when it was recently listed, but the person said that they'll ship it. And that's why that's happening. But this one here, and again, I don't know why we're not getting how long ago it was listed. Again, this is why Facebook is not as optimized as it should be. There we go. Here's an example right here. This was posted 9 minutes ago. So that does show you that these items are being categorically listed from their creation time and descending. And this is something that you cannot do without knowing some basic code and some basic HTML work, okay? This is something that I'm giving to you, my lovely viewers, free of charge.